Hello, this is day 2 of the 7-day jingle challenge. This song is called Dax Wax. It was chosen by Chris Moore because apparently that's his favourite product, but I'm pretty sure he doesn't use any hair products. Just saying. Okay, so I'll be using my electric ukulele today called Yosette, so I hope you enjoy it. Dax Wax. But your hair is crazy. You wanna look the gent, but you gotta tame the flow when you don't know where to go. So you need some help, my friend.